Adam or Adam from France.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum.
I have a question about Salat al-Fajr. Here in France, they delay it in some masjids, like 1 hour after the Azan time. And I would like to know if it is permissible to pray it at home, because like the time they choose doesn't like suit me personally, but I know I have to go to the masjid. And, like, it's not up to me, but I'm not sure.
No, you have to pray with the congregation in the masjid as long as they pray before sunrise. Even if they delay it according to the Hanafi madhab, when it's almost light but the sun did not rise yet, this is wrong of them, yet the prayer is valid and you have to join the congregation. Look for another masjid that suits your timings and pray with them, but don't pray home, because this is a sign of hypocrisy. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us.